The first major lake-effect snowstorm of the season unleashed its relentless fury across the Great Lakes region, burying cities in Michigan, New York, Pennsylvania, and Ohio under staggering snow totals of 3 to 5 feet. This historic snowstorm not only brought communities to a standstill, but also caused widespread chaos, including multiple highway accidents and even a train collision.
The way the snow is just chilling, hanging off my house.
He went straight to his bowl.
These are the ones that made it, that we moved outside for now.
As the storm begins to ease on Tuesday, the aftermath reveals a region paralyzed by treacherous travel conditions and states of emergency.
This shit is no joke. Yo. Nah, this is crazy. Yo, this is crazy. I can see why you said put this on the side. Yeah, boy, this is the real snow days. Woo! Oh my goodness.
Ugh, dude, working in Erie right now, trying to get my truck out. Look at all this snow.
Interstate 94 in Michigan became the scene of chaos on Monday when more than a dozen vehicles, including 3 semi-trucks, collided amidst police reported 14 passenger vehicles were involved, with at least 1 person critically injured. Additional vehicles slid off the road in the same area, forcing a shutdown of the highway near Hartford and Watervliet.
Anything to get to Grandma.
Hi. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yep, come here.
Go get her. Go get her. Go get her.
Okay, come on here. Can you come out?
Further east, over 5 feet of snow-buried areas downwind of Lakes Ontario and Erie, while communities near Lakes Michigan and Superior received more than 3 feet of accumulation.
If you're ever wondering what Erie, Pennsylvania is like, this is what it's like. And there's a fucking Italian restaurant that just opened across the street in an urban suburb, and don't even ask me what that means. That's just a term I came up with now. There's a fucking Italian restaurant that just
The relentless
opened up
snowfall
between 2
created
houses.
havoc on
There's
roads,
like 5
with some
feet of
areas
snow on the
experiencing
ground, dude.
near zero visibility
This
due
is-
to snowfall
this is
rates of up to
Erie.
4 inches per
And then we
hour.
also have that like bomb collar pizza guy, so. Oh yeah, and our gutters just fucking collapse.
Last week, the storm forced the closure of an 80-mile stretch of Interstate 90, impacting travel across New York and Pennsylvania.
Where I live, and nobody has plowed, not even tried to plow anything. Please help us.
Fox weather storm tracker Brandon Kopacki reported from Erie, Pennsylvania, describing the scene as chaos. Stranded vehicles and jackknife trucks clogged roads, particularly in areas where highways had been shut down.
To walk a block and a half just to my car. This is crazy.
States of emergency were declared in New York, Pennsylvania, and Ohio, with National Guard troops deployed to assist in storm response efforts.
You gonna come in? I hear Daddy coming. Uh-oh. Come on, Butch. Come on.
Crews worked tirelessly to clear roads, urging residents to stay home or drive cautiously to prevent further accidents. Despite these efforts, the storm's impact has left countless residents stranded or struggling to navigate through the snow.
Okay, come on. Come back. Come back. Let's go. These are my mom's sons.
In addition to the record-breaking snowfall, the storm brought rare weather phenomena, including thundersnow and waterspouts forming over Lake Erie.
Go down and go potty. Go on. Go down and go potty. Go on. Go. You can do it. Are you serious?
While snowfall rates have slowed, lake-effect snow bands are expected to persist across parts of the region, particularly in New York's Chautauqua and Cattaraugus counties. Elevated areas will continue to see higher snow totals, while less snow is expected near the shoreline and along the I-90 corridor. As the storm winds down, communities across the Great Lakes are left digging out from this historic event, with travel still risky and cleanup efforts expected to last several days. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.